I am entitled to propose an amendment to this order of business.
Well,
so
on that basis,
I'm proposing that we suspend the Dáil and convene an urgent meeting of the Business Committee to deal with the outrageous proposition that we don't return next week in this Dáil, with the outrageous proposition that 39 TDs in Sinn Féin will be allocated 10 minutes, the same as your government group in opposition. I mean, Michael Lowry is a member of the opposition. Michael Lowry, who stood outside this building and said, we will support the government in the good days and the bad. Of all 7 of them, he's a member of the opposition. For God's sake, you're making a mockery of democracy here. And Taoiseach to come and Taoiseach right now. You know, you designed this situation today. You have it in your power to resolve this issue. They should have speaking rights from the government side. That's where they belong. So I'm proposing we suspend the Dáil now. That's my proposal.
Deputy Carty, you're out of order. Please resume your seat. Please, allow me. Deputy, resume your seat. Resume. I'm afraid. Deputy. This is a test of you, Ceann Comhairle. I'm so sorry you're failing. Deputy, Deputy, I'm going to give you one opportunity. I will have to suspend the House. I'm afraid resume your seat. If we're going to be left. Yeah. Thank you. We will suspend. Deputy, please resume your seat. Resume your seats. I am going to be left with no option, Deputy. I will be left with no option. We suspend the House. I suspend the House for 15 minutes.